Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your Motorola Edge 70. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and call volume in these settings. So open up these settings, now scroll down to sound and vibration, and here you will have the media and the call volume. Now my settings are already turned up to the max, but if yours aren't, then I recommend you guys maxing them out and seeing if there's any difference. Now, what you guys can do is disable the Do Not Disturb mode. So leave the sound and vibration, go over to modes, and here click on Do Not Disturb. Make sure that it says turn on now right here, because when it says turn off, then that means it's turned on. We want to turn it off, and basically it's because sometimes your Android can just glitch and lower the volume, and for the Do Not Disturb, actually you're lowering the volume and also muting all notifications and calls. There's a glitch on an Android that allows the phone to do that, so whenever you have Do Not Disturb turned on, then your volume may be lower. Now what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So here we have it at the bottom. As you guys can see, here we have the speaker grill. Now we definitely want to clean it with a soft brush or anything else that is just not metallic, because if it's metallic then you can only damage the grill, and we definitely do not want that. Now what can we do as a last resort is update our software to fix any audio glitches. So go to the main page, scroll down, and here you will have system updates. Click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, I'm using the latest software, but if you guys don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep the latest version because you will get rid of any glitches. So for an example, the low volume problem. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.